stifling, ignorant, dirty, and tasteless persons. To those of authority and learning, he ought himself to exhibit them with all facility, courteously explaining their beauty and remarkable characteristics. When ignorant or merely curious persons wish to see them, a glance is sufficient, if it be not someone of considerable influence. So, you know, that was the way that libraries were looked at in the 15th century. It was a place for wealthy, well-connected people to study. And I look at Benjamin Franklin really as the one who kind of founded the way libraries are today, at least in the United States. He started a group which we kind of have a descendant of here called the Junto. Started it in 1727, a group of, I guess they were probably all men, that wanted to discuss issues that learned people might discuss then. And after 3 years of the group being in existence, they realized they didn't have a library, they didn't have books to really sort of supplement their arguments, and none of them were wealthy, so they couldn't afford to have their own personal library. So they pooled their money in a subscription library. There were at least 50 of them that started really what today would be called a public library, and you know, with the idea that everybody would have access to it. And that started with the Junto, which we continue here in the library, and also in the Department of Literature and Languages with our Junto meetings with graduate students. And so, you know, the theme of is communities thrive at your library. The community for this library primarily is the university community, but we have services extended outside that community, and we'll have the bookmarks that you can pick up, and there'll be other events later in the week to help celebrate the place of the library.
Including what, workshops and a lecture and
yes.
all of this, yes.